Good morning. I want to begin by thanking everyone who's joined us today, and I'd like to also acknowledge the members of the California Department of Justice who made today's announcement possible. I'd like to begin with our Supervising Deputy Attorney General, Marisa Hernandez Stern, to our two Deputy Attorney Generals who've helped on this, Minsu Langiaru, I want to get this right, Langiaru, again, Minsu Langiaru, Jennifer Bonilla, to our Supervising Deputy Attorney General, Satoshi Yanai, our Senior Assistant AG, Michael Newman, to our Special Assistant AGs, Ellie Bloom and Dan Torres. I want to thank each and every one of them for the work that they've done in making today's announcement possible. As you know, Amazon, one of the largest companies in America, is expected to do record-breaking business online this holiday season, just as it has done throughout the year. Unlike its brick and mortar competitors who find themselves operating under restrictions to protect public health, Amazon's business has boomed during the COVID-19 pandemic. The company expects sales in these last 3 months of 2020 to be north of $100 billion. And last quarter, its revenues soared while its profits tripled compared to 2019. All of this to say, Amazon, the company, is not suffering from the pandemic. Amazon's employees, the people who collect, store, package, and deliver the products that make Amazon click, well, that's why we're here today. The California Department of Justice has a duty to protect the people, the workers of our state, to enforce the laws that protect their health and safety. But while Amazon continues to operate profitably, it has been less than forthcoming about its operations and its practices to protect its workers from COVID-19. For months, the California Department of Justice has been asking Amazon to provide this information. This morning, we filed a petition in Sacramento Superior Court requesting that the court order Amazon to comply with outstanding investigative subpoenas, which we issued as part of an ongoing open investigation into Amazon's COVID-19 worker health and safety practices. We served these investigative subpoenas on Amazon nearly 4 months ago, on August 19, 2020. And those subpoenas were preceded by months of communication with Amazon executives as we tried to secure the information about their workplace health and safety measures. To date, Amazon has failed to adequately comply with our lawful requests for information into the company's coronavirus protocols and the status of COVID-19 cases of Amazon facilities across the state. Through our subpoenas and this petition, this is what we're asking. On-the-ground information for facilities that have the highest COVID-19 rates, company-wide information on policies and procedures, specific details about the nature and extent of Amazon's coronavirus prevention efforts, including how the company defines which employees have been diagnosed with COVID-19, sick leave policies for those exposed to or diagnosed with COVID-19, cleaning procedures for facilities, raw data regarding the number of infections and deaths at facilities in California. And we filed this petition today because we urgently need to know about complaints made by Amazon associates to the company about working conditions, potential retaliation taken against employees who raise these workplace safety concerns, communications with state and local departments of public health regarding COVID-19 exposures at Amazon facilities, and documents related to any lawsuits or investigations of the company by other agencies or private individuals. I want to stress our investigation is ongoing and no determination has been made regarding the company's coronavirus protocols, particularly given Amazon's limited responsiveness to date. But I also want to stress, we don't have time to drag our feet. Time is of the essence. Right now, as the first COVID vaccines are reaching some of our frontline workers, our state finds itself in the thick of this pandemic. As of today, remaining statewide ICU capacity is at 7.4%. Sacramento, Southern California, San Joaquin Valley, they're all under regional stay-at-home orders. COVID-19 has affected more than 1.5 million Californians, and it's led to more than 21,000 deaths in our state. We have a duty to protect the people of this great state, and that includes our essential workers. If Amazon can next day deliver an 85-inch TV, it should be able to deliver to the Department of Justice the straightforward information we officially requested of them nearly 4 months ago. California workers have kept this state running at risk to themselves while they're doing it and to their loved ones. And so we owe it to them to ensure that they are protected in the workplace. And for that reason, we have taken this action today with this petition, as we have taken several actions in the past since the pandemic started in March. Californians have a right to know, and the Department of Justice has a duty to act to make sure that Amazon is complying with the laws and protecting its workers during this pandemic. That means Amazon needs to turn over the information we have repeatedly and lawfully sought.